Well, this is too bad. The nest fell out of the tree. Look at that. Little bird's nest. Fallen out of the tree, it did. I don't see any broken eggs around or anything though, so that's a good thing. Anyway, yeah, take the bird's nest. I'll take the bird's nest down there with me. I will. Yeah, and we'll see if we can find Rocky. We will. We'll see if we can find Rocky. Oh my goodness. Okay. There we go. We get the bird's nest out of the lens some so it'll focus. See if we can find Rocky Cup. Oh, there he is. There's Rocky right at the end of the trail. Hi, Rocky. Hey, it's good to see you, my friend. Hi, beautiful boy. Hi. Hi, Rocky. You're beautiful. You want to turn around? We're going to camp? We're going to go to camp, eh? That's amazing how that bird's nest is made. How it's all wove together. It's really something.